the movie Gulabo Sitabo. It's an excellent one. It's Big B who married a lady, Begum. She was 15 years elder to him. Just because she had lots of property, and he was called Mirza. And the way he has enacted is really superb. Everyone has enacted the role so well, and even Ayushman Khurrana. Ayushman is the tenant of Big B, who is a haggard old man with a bump, and he is always in search of some wealth. And this property, which belonged to the lady Begum, she actually didn't know that it's an archaeological enclave. It was viewed by the archaeologist as a property which could fetch them almost crores. And then the archaeological team dropped in, and they wanted to purchase this mansion, and because of its historical importance. And then the best part of the movie is the old lady. She has enacted so well, almost in her 80s or maybe 90s, yeah, you can say. And she is kind of fashionista at that age. Even she gets her hair with a lot of fancy items, and then she goes out for just recreation, and she has a help who is constantly with her, and she maintained herself at that age. Like, she is not the typical old, you can say, ladies who give up after, and who don't actually want to look good. But in this, and they were at loggerheads with each other. In the beginning, they married out of love, Big B and this Begum, Mirza and Begum, but later on they were at loggerheads, and he also had kind of compromised. He was in a situation where there was point of no return, and there was no option, and this lady was in love with somebody else, and she even eloped with him. But in the present circumstances, they are showing that both of them are at the same place. And one hilarious scene is there where the papers need to have her signature, and she was in deep slumber, and Mirza enters her room, and she is put all ink, her fingers are put of ink and thumb inscription on the paper, and he presents it to the authority, and they say that I didn't tell you for the left, I told you for the sorry, I didn't tell you for the right hand, I told you for the left. And when in the morning she gets up, she sees her fingers with blue color, and she's telling her help what happened to my. Then she could understand. She was quite intelligent, astute. What she did, she knew that the Mirza will come again for the signature, saying she put all paper, she wrapped her fingers with a cloth so that no signature will be done. And ultimately, this archaeological team, headed by Vijay Raj, who has also elected well, they barge in, and they take a lot of pictures and all that. Full investigation, full team is there, archaeological team. And then the property is finally sold. And there's also a celebration happens just before she moved out, 95th birthday of this lady. A lot of hot shots came with all cars, with the red police kind of rolling lights, red lights on the top. And she actually celebrated in a grand manner, and most probably her beau was also there. And the movie ended on a happy note also, you can say, and a sad note, because Mirza was told to leave the palace, and he was left with no property. And see, education is so much very important, you can say, education. And because he was given a chair which had a price for which was invaluable, it was almost worth 1 lakh, some thousand rupees, and he didn't know, and he sold that grand chair just for 250 rupees to, and that was considered to be an antique. So this was some ignorance. If we would have been educated, this folly would not have been and the movie, Ayushmann and both of them share some kind of conversation, but they are not allowed in the mansion. And the lady, when she is when she is in the car, she doesn't even notice him. Like she ignores him when the movie ended. But the movie is is well directed, entertaining, almost like 5 stars.